going to discuss about English alphabets. Okay. Previous day we studied about A, B, C, D and E. Okay children, today we are going to discuss five letters we already finished. So remaining letters today we are going to study. What is the remaining letters you know? Okay, we can start. Listen here. F. How to write? F. 1, 2, 3 dots. Okay, how many dots we want to keep here? 3 dots. From up to down one line. From up to here to small line, middle one, another small line. So what is the letter F? What is the letter F? Again I am repeating how to write F. Okay, 3 dots are there. You can see. I think you can see this all. Okay. These 3 dots we have to put here. Okay. From up to down one big line. From up one small line. Middle one another line. So what is the letter? F for fish. F for fish. Look here. F for fish. F for fish. Do you know fish? What is fish? Fish is living in, fish lives in water. The fish is living. Fish lives in water. Okay. Okay. Next letter is G. Next letter is capital letter G. Look here. From up to middle line, curve. Big curve you have to put. Okay. From here to up, like this one small curve. Then after down, we put one line down. So what is the letter? This is little difficult. Okay, how to write G? G is little difficult to write. So look here carefully. How to write G? How to write capital letter G? Once again I am writing here. So look carefully all children. From up to third line one big curve. Okay, like this we have to write one big curve. Okay, then from here to up one small curve. One small curve. Here G for grapes. G for grapes. G for grapes. Then children, what is the next letter? Then how many letters we studied now? Today how many letters we studied? E. E not. F. G. 2 letter you studied, no? So next letter is what? H. What is the next letter? H. Up one big dot. Down one dot. Next 3 dots are there. 1, 2, 3 dots are there. Okay. Like that only. Same way. Right side also. Like this 3 dots we have to put. Then we have to join the dots. We have to join the dots. Up to down one big line. Right sides also. Up to down one line. Then middle more one small line. We have to join it. Then what is the letter? H. What is the letter? H for? H for what? H for hand. H for hand. One more time I am telling. How to write? What is the letter? How to write? H. Very good. Up. One dot. Next. One more dot. Down. Another one dot. Then right side like that. 1, 2, 3 dots are there. Okay. How many dots are here? 3 dots are there. Then up to down one big line. Right side like that only. One more line. Then middle we have to join one small line. So what is the letter? H. Now you understand what I wrote? H. What is it? H. H for hen. Look here. H for hen. Do you know hen? Okay, H for hen. What is the next letter? H over. So, I. What is the letter? I. I is the easy letter to write. Okay? Easy letter to write. Which letter? I. I we can write easily. Look here. 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dots are there. Then up to down one big line. What is it? Up to down one big line. Then up one big line. Down also one big line. Okay. What is the letter? I. What is the letter? I. I for what? I for ice cream. Do you know ice cream? Yes. All children like very much. What? Ice cream. Ice cream we like more. Ice cream we like more. So once again I am telling this is easy letter. So I am telling one more time. 3 dots we have to put here. How many dots we have to put? 3. Then up to down one big line. Up one big small line. Down one small line. So what is the letter? I. What is the letter? I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Very good. Okay kids. Then today's last letter is what? J. What is the last letter today's? J. How to write? J. Up 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots are there. Okay. Then up to down one line like this. Then after that down to up one like this small curve. What is it? What is it called? Curve. What is it? Curve. So up to down one line, from down to up one small curve. Then after up one small line. Okay. What is this? J. What is this? J. One more time. I am telling. 3 dots we have to put. Up to down one big line. Down to up one small curve. Up to one small line. So, what is the letter? J. J for what? J for J. J for J. J for J. Say loudly. J for J. Very good. Very good children. Okay? J for J. Today how many letters we studied? F, G. Next letter is H. Very good. After this, F, G, H, I. Then last letter is what? J. Very good. J. How many letters we studied? F, G, H, I, J. Okay. So today I am leaving from here. I will come remaining letters to next day. Okay. So don't go please. You should subscribe our channel Ras Vision and like this video and share it. Okay.